Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on a website. And let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you USDT, and this all cryptocurrency available in this website. And this is the USDT paid to this much users. This website have a much more ways you can earn your free cryptocurrency. And this is the all withdrawal from this website. You can see this person make $9 or any Litecoin pay instantly to their wallet address. And you can see this website have a much more ways to earn. First of all, click register. You can register yourself, put your email, username, password, and confirm password. You can easily register in here. I have already an account, just I click login to show you how you can earn from this website, and you can easily make your amount from this website. Okay, I just put my email address and I just solve this capture, and just I click login. Okay, and this is my account. You can see this much USDT I have in my account, but I didn't work much more. And the minimum withdrawal is one token. I don't know, one token maybe $1. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is $1. First of all, in here you can just click manual faucet. You can easily make USDT just every 10 minutes. You can make this much USDT and you can claim this much time per day. It's too easy. Just solve this little capture. Is a VI is a 6, IV is a 4, and just solve this little capture in the box. And just come down and just collect your reward. You can collect your reward. Okay, that's too easy. You collect it and you can easily make your amount. Okay, that's too easy. The next way earning is short links. You can visit the short links and you can earn this much USDT just visiting the all short links available in here. This website have pay you much more amount. The next way is the PTC hats. If you watch all of the PTC hats, this much USDT, this website pay you just watching the all PTC ads available in here. The best way is a contest. This website have a contest. You can join the contest, a referral contest. You can see the referral contest is very high payment. And the faucet contest have a faucet contest. This person make $2. The short links contest, this person make $10. So just watch the short links. And the next way is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket. You can easily make your amount. Okay, you can see this is the all amount. And this is the person make much more amount from this website. You can see this person and this person make 2-time winner. This person make 2-time winner. This is 3-time. This is 3-time again. And that's too easy. This is 4-time for this person. And they make their real money. I don't know how they use this USDT trick, but it's too easy for those to make much more money from this all. And the next way is a task. You can complete the task. Okay, review in the Trustpilot and you can receive this much USDT. That's too easy. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. You can easily join this website, and after I receive $1, I will share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, and you can easily join this website and start earning. And bye bye for now.